Understanding hesitate to answer in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, hesitate to answer. Understanding this phrase will help you not only in grasping conversations better but also in expressing your thoughts more clearly. So, let's dive in. Hesitate to answer is a phrase that combines two key words, hesitate and answer. To hesitate means to pause or delay in making a decision or taking action, often because of uncertainty or fear. Answer, of course, refers to responding to a question or statement. When someone hesitates to answer, they are momentarily unsure or reluctant about what to say in response. This hesitation can be due to various reasons like not knowing the answer, being unsure about how to express their thoughts, or being afraid of the reaction their answer might cause. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a classroom, a student might hesitate to answer a teacher's question if they are unsure about the correct response. 2. In a job interview, an interviewee may hesitate to answer a difficult question about their weaknesses or past job experiences. 3. In everyday conversations, someone might hesitate to answer a personal or sensitive question, indicating their discomfort or the need to think before speaking. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various situations to indicate a momentary pause or uncertainty before responding. Understanding nonverbal cues can also help in recognizing when someone is hesitating to answer. These cues include facial expressions, frowning, looking away, or biting their lips. Body language, shifting in their seat, playing with their hands, or looking down. Vocal signs, starting to speak and then stopping. Filler words like or are changes in the tone of voice. Recognizing these signs can give you a better understanding of the conversation and the emotions involved. Hesitate to answer is a useful phrase that helps in understanding and participating in English conversations more effectively. Remember, hesitation is a natural part of communication, and recognizing it can lead to more empathetic and effective conversations. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.